The Eurofighter Typhoon stands as one of the most ambitious and strategically important combat aircraft programs ever undertaken by Europe, representing not only cutting-edge aerospace engineering but also decades of political coordination, industrial collaboration, and shared defense priorities among multiple nations. Born from the collective vision of the United Kingdom, Germany, Italy, and Spain, the Typhoon program was designed to ensure that Europe retained an independent, world-class air combat capability at a time when air superiority was becoming increasingly decisive in both conventional and asymmetric warfare. Over the years, the aircraft has evolved far beyond its original concept, transforming into a highly adaptable multi-role platform that plays a central role in modern air warfare across NATO and partner air forces. Initially conceived during the Cold War as a dedicated air superiority fighter to counter advanced Soviet aircraft, the Eurofighter Typhoon was engineered with performance at its core. Its aerodynamic configuration, featuring a delta wing paired with close-coupled canards, provides exceptional lift, agility, and maneuverability, enabling the aircraft to dominate within visual range combat while retaining strong performance at high altitude and speed. The relaxed static stability design, managed by a sophisticated digital fly-by-wire system, allows pilots to push the aircraft to its limits with remarkable control. Complementing this design are the powerful Eurojet EJ200 engines, which deliver rapid acceleration, high climb rates, and sustained supercruise capability. This ability to fly at supersonic speeds without engaging afterburners not only extends operational reach but also enhances survivability by reducing infrared signature and fuel consumption during high-speed missions. As global security dynamics shifted and military operations increasingly demanded versatility, the Eurofighter Typhoon underwent a deliberate and carefully planned transformation into a true multi-role combat aircraft. Modern air warfare rarely allows aircraft to focus on a single mission type, and the Typhoon's evolution reflects this reality. Today, it is capable of seamlessly transitioning between air-to-air combat, precision ground attack, suppression of enemy air defenses, and maritime strike roles, often within the same sortie. This flexibility is enabled by a comprehensive weapons suite that includes advanced air-to-air missiles such as Meteor, which provides unmatched beyond visual range engagement capability, as well as IRIS-T and AMRAAM for close and medium-range combat. For strike missions, the aircraft can deploy Storm Shadow long-range cruise missiles, Brimstone precision-guided munitions, and a wide range of laser and GPS-guided bombs, giving commanders options for both strategic and tactical effects. Central to the Eurofighter Typhoon's effectiveness in modern combat is its advanced sensor and avionics architecture, which prioritizes situational awareness, data fusion, and networked operations. Early variants were equipped with the Captor-M mechanically scanned radar, already considered highly capable for its time. However, ongoing upgrades have introduced the Captor-EA ESA radar, significantly enhancing detection range, tracking accuracy, resistance to electronic countermeasures, and simultaneous air-to-air and air-to-ground targeting. When combined with infrared search and track systems, electronic support measures, helmet-mounted displays, and advanced cockpit interfaces, the Typhoon provides pilots with a comprehensive, real-time picture of the battlespace. This level of awareness is critical in modern air warfare, where information dominance often determines the outcome of engagements long before missiles are launched. Operationally, the Eurofighter Typhoon has become a cornerstone of European and NATO air power. The aircraft routinely conducts quick reaction alert and air policing missions, intercepting unidentified or potentially hostile aircraft near Allied airspace and demonstrating credible deterrence on NATO's eastern and southern flanks. Beyond air defense, Typhoons have been deployed in combat operations in the Middle East, where they have carried out precision strike missions against ground targets, provided close air support to coalition forces, and contributed to intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance efforts. These real-world deployments have validated the aircraft's reliability, adaptability, and effectiveness in complex operational environments characterized by contested airspace, asymmetric threats, and the need to minimize collateral damage. In the broader ecosystem of modern air warfare, the Eurofighter Typhoon occupies a critical role alongside fifth-generation stealth fighters. While stealth aircraft prioritize low observability and deep penetration of heavily defended airspace, the Typhoon offers complementary strengths such as high speed, large payload capacity, and exceptional kinematic performance. Many air forces operating mixed fleets employ the Typhoon as a powerful air dominance and weapons-carrying platform that can support and protect stealth assets, act as a missile truck for long-range engagements, and rapidly respond to emerging threats. This cooperative approach underscores the enduring relevance of advanced fourth-generation plus fighters in an era increasingly defined by integrated air defense systems, electronic warfare, and long-range precision engagements. The future of the Eurofighter Typhoon is closely tied to continuous modernization and adaptation. Upgrade programs are focused on enhancing electronic warfare capabilities, improving connectivity with allied platforms, integrating next-generation weapons, and refining sensor fusion to meet emerging threats. These enhancements are designed to ensure the aircraft remains effective against increasingly sophisticated adversaries, including those equipped with advanced surface-to-air missile systems, cyber capabilities, and electronic attack tools. As part of Europe's broader defense strategy, the Typhoon also serves as a technological bridge toward next-generation air combat systems, contributing valuable operational experience and industrial expertise. Ultimately, the Eurofighter Typhoon is more than just a combat aircraft. It is a symbol of Europe's determination to maintain strategic autonomy and technological leadership in military aviation. Its role in modern air warfare is defined by a unique combination of performance, flexibility, and growth potential, allowing it to adapt to changing threats while continuing to deliver credible deterrence and combat power. As global security challenges grow more complex and unpredictable, the Eurofighter Typhoon remains a vital pillar of European and Allied air forces, proving that sustained evolution and collaboration can keep a fighter jet relevant and formidable well into the future.